Hello my lovely, welcome back to my kitchen. It is always a pleasure to have you here, and if today is your first time visiting, I hope you consider to join us by subscribing with your bell activated. To my returning subscribers and viewers, thank you so very much. I really do appreciate you, and for clicking to watch this super nutritious salad. Come on in and let's start. This gorgeous salad right here is loaded with essential vitamins. Now that we've got all these colorful fresh produce in a bowl, let's go ahead and make an amazing dressing to go with it. So with me here are some freshly chopped parsley, and to that I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil. You would absolutely fall in love with this. Give this a try. This will be followed by black pepper and some salt to taste. Then I'll go ahead and slice up one lemon. I love the fresh citrusy taste of lemon together with the parsley. It really gives the salad a nice balance. Stir everything together, my dear, and this will really add awesome flavors, nutrition to our salad. Yes, so now I will pour everything. Look at this beauty in a bowl. Hey, I am in the salad. Nah, and also I come up, and I couldn't help but to share what I had with this salad. Some really chunky fried rice. I have left the link to this full video in the description box. Now my lovely, let's go ahead and stir this beauty together. Just take a look at how fresh, crispy and delicious this looks. This is a classic example of eating your food as medicine. Please share, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye bye.